Anyway.
Oh, I'm not fucking tripping.
Take a picture, bye, Sean. Take a picture and send it to me.
What the fuck?
Sit down and calm the fuck down. And that what you probably do on everything that dropped, I ain't take that because I ain't have it in my body. I had that in my body with my forensics in it.
Man, Sean, it's a dog on the fucking riding lawnmower cutting the fucking grass.
I heard you. That's why I said take a fucking picture.
I got a video of this shit.
I need a fucking laugh right now. I think I'm losing my motherfucking mind, son. I ain't, and you know, this motherfucker tell me I ain't take nothing today, period. But I know you hear it in my voice. And I'm doing
Jesus. Okay, last
That's fine.